Being a teenager is often romanticized as the best years of one's life, but in reality, it is a great mixture of unique sets of pressure, obstacles, and emotions. Every single day feels like a balancing act caught between childhood innocence and responsibilities of adulthood. We teenagers are faced with these type of questions. Do I even belong? Am I good enough? What do I want to be? Will they accept me? Now let us understand what exactly is teenage. Teenage or adolescence, typically from ages 13 to 19, is a critical phase marked by significant physical, emotional, and cognitive changes. The teenage brain, especially the prefrontal cortex (PFC), which is responsible for decision making and impulse control, is still maturing and developing. Teenagers also face rapid growth, face new challenges, start forming deeper relationships. This phase is also marked by independence and critical thinking. Once hit teenage, we deal with the following things: balancing freedom and responsibilities, digital native, the struggle with identity, the emotional roller coaster, and teen mental health. Since we are talking about teenage and its challenges, let me all tell you a very personal example how I, as teenager, got into trouble and what I learned from it. It so happened there was a bunch of students in my class who always seemed to be chill, happy, and cared about no one. Out of curiosity, I started mingling with them, got in touch with them, started interacting with them. And I found out that the group of teenagers used abusive language even in general conversation. They used to bully weak students and used to gossip about teachers and other students behind their backs. And somehow I joined them. I joined them in all their mischievous activities. And I was enjoying it. Thinking, I also wanted to be cool. I also wanted to be popular, to be seen. But result, I lost focus from my studies. Interaction with my parents became less. I started lying to them. I even found my own brother annoying and caught myself yelling at him. My language had added so many slangs. My teachers were not appreciating my behavior. And it just got all worse. And then I was caught. My smart mom, she caught me. She saw when my boat had went into a wrong direction into the storm and she took me out of it to a safer place. I had to face embarrassment in front of my parents. After some acceptance and promises, my parents were kind enough to forgive me. Yes, they had forgiven me. Of course, after some hard punishments. Parents in the room, thank you for your unconditional love, for being so kind to us. My dear teenage friends, I am coming to the very idea of this talk to let my teenager friends know what is right for them, what is not right for them, to enable them with decision making process and how sometimes decisions can be based on emotions and it may not be in a right way. Let me tell you, you are not alone. There are today more adolescents in this world than ever, 1.3 million, that is totaling 1/6 of the global population, and most of them go through this process. Jim Rohn once said, "You are the average of the 5 people who you hang out the most with. Choose your friends wisely." Let me share you 3 key points on how you can make better decisions. Number 1, learn critical thinking by knowing weigh pros and cons before making decisions. Number 2, learn emotional regulation. Manage stress and avoid impulsive choices. Number 3, foster open communication. Feel free to share and seek advice whenever you are unsure. My dear friends, we do face challenges and pressures every day. But these very challenges and these very pressures are opportunities to learn, to grow, to be a developed version of yourselves. If you struggle with conversation and understanding with your parents, sit down, talk to them, share your problems, find solutions, and create a healthy relationship. You can read, walk, talk, go to your grandma's house, live with your bestie, go to park, go to cafe, work out, exercise, yoga, pray, give yourselves a title, make goals, make yourselves and your parents proud. You can do what not to stay positive in this age. Even though this age is difficult, even though it is complicated, but it is beautiful. It is interesting and full of learnings. Together, let us make the best out of this phase. Thank you.